Windows Bash Programming Tutorial 2 using CMD. So CMD is a shell that talks with the kernel in Windows with a black console by default. So when we type CMD after window plus R in the run section, then the command prompt, or you can just either search for it by typing CMD and give you the command prompt here. If you click on it, it will also open the command prompt. So in this tutorial we are going to use the CMD to do all things like navigation, changing directory, to listing all the files in there, making directory, deleting directory. So first of all, we will just check all the list in the default Win10, that is my username here. So as you can see that after typing the dir, that is to check the list of the files in that particular directory, I have listed all the files here, downloads. And if you are in a directory and you want to get the whole directory section, that is chdir to check the directory, and that is C users windows. So where it will help when you do @echo off, and then after you search chdir, then you get it, that is C users windows. So let's echo on, and we are back to the visual directory section. And then to change the directory we have cd. So let's use our second command cd, and we will go to desktop. So now I am at desktop. So let's say we are going to make a directory here, name folder on desktop, and here it is. So, and to delete that directory we are going to use rmdir folder, and that directory will be deleted. That directory should be empty for that. And we will use more cd commands, like if you use cd with double dot, it will go to the previous directory. If you use cd with dot create directory, it will be on the current directory. And if you use only cd, then it will also go to the home directory. Let's say we have first will go to desktop, and then there will make our folder name directory, and then we will go to folder, okay? And then type cd. It is tell you what you are in the, it will tell you your current directory. If you just type cd, and when you say cd and the path that you have mentioned, like C, I will just add here, and I have just got this directory. This is called absolute. What I'm giving here, the directory is absolute to the cd. And if I give like C users, I'm talking relatively to my current directory. So there is two ways to do that. One is absolute and one is relative. So let's say I'm using c double dot d, it is also relative. It will check its current directory, that is in C users, and then it will go to its parent directory. So let's go to users, and then Win10, and ls is not for the listing here. Here it is dir to check. So let's make a quick revision of what we have done here till now. So we have used dir for the listing, we have used cd for changing our directory, then we have used chdir to check our directory, and we have used mkdir and rmdir to make the directory and to delete the directory respectively. And as we have also discussed in the previous tutorials. So what new? So we will also use cls to clear the screen. Here you can see that all the screens have been cleared, and one command is also there to exit, that will exit the loop, the command prompt. If you click the exit and enter, it will exit the whole command. Let's say you want to open a notepad from here, just type notepad and it will be open there. So but the thing is, whatever the file you have saved, it will be saved in Win10. So let's we will first go to desktop, and then if I tap notepad set.bat, then it will open a file here. Because it was not created before, it will create a new file. And let's use set is used to for basically for the initialization of a variable. When we do that, echo of set variable name is equals to hello guys, and then just echo whatever, or just echo that value, the percentage sign, that is var name, and then here, then it will just print that value and pause the result. So let's save it and Alt plus F4, and then here it is made. So when we run it, it says hello guys. That's what we have printed. So it is the static data that we have put into that. Let's say s2 set2.bat, or let's say setp.bat, and it was not created, so we will create new one, and then echo off, so we don't want any directory statement to be there always, and then set /p, and then say var name is equals to what's your name. You will just ask this one and double quotes, and we will just print with the double quotes only, and the /p is used for parenthesis, and then we will print hello percent var name percent, and then we will pause the result and then save it, close it, and double click on the bat file. It asks what's your name, so let's say I'm typing my name Suraj, and it says hello Suraj. This is what it is used for. So I try it out with the button and close it. So we have seen all the commands till now, like cd. We have seen how to use the notepad from the terminal, and try to always use the CMD from for now, because we're doing with the command prompt, and you should have this skill in Windows. It's not always good with mouse that you have go to there and click on every time. So just come here and you control all the things from the shell, as shell is the only thing that gives commands to the kernel all the time when you interact with a button or create any event or list. And the last command is exit, that is to exit the command prompt. So thank you for watching. If this video was beneficial for you, please do like this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.